Get the fuck! Get out! Get out!
Go away.
Dude, get out! Get out! Get out!
Nope.
Get the fuck out! 7415 Buffalo. Shots fired.
What's your location?
Get out of here! Get out of here! Washington. Washington and Eagle. Shots fired. Send an ambulance. Driver's been hit. I'm fine.
Quarter 745, you copy?
Oh, you dumbass.
Myself and 1-2 Buffalo, what's your location? They're going to be on Washington and Eagle. Headquarters 745, do you copy?
Yeah. No.
745 Buffalo, copy en route.
Is this the one you're chasing?
Yeah. He's dead.
Yep. Just one?
Yep.
So you're okay?
Yeah, I'll be good.
Okay.
7415 Buffalo.
7415?
You can have everybody slow down. It's okay. Driver's deceased. You need a tow truck and a supervisor. But slow all units down.
Received. 745, copy last. Seven, I'm out. Seven 745, copy. We're around to the scene.
Where's your car?
Down over there, if you want to grab it.
Yeah, I'll bring it over.
Yeah, and then we'll just block off the intersection. So we'll hit up that one and that one. Yeah.
3715, where are you?
Oh, we're behind you. What's up, Jones? I shot him. I got the camera rolling and stuff. So.